guys. I'm back with another little haul, but it's a review this time from a place called Time Beauty, and it's the brand Makeup Revolution. You must have known about Revolution or heard about them by now. They are doing major things. For years now I've been shopping at Makeup Revolution. I normally go to Superdrugs. Back in the day when it just came out, I used to always buy their little pack of 12 eyeshadows, and I love buying their highlighters and blushes and stuff. And contour kits are really good. The blush kits, definitely try those out. But today is going to be one of their new products. It's not that new, but they keep updating the stuff, and I really love that. And next I want to try out the concealer. I haven't got my hands on it yet because Time Beauty makes you want to buy everything on site. If you've never checked out Time Beauty, they always have a sale going on. Or if you check out Superdrugs or Makeup Revolution's website, they all have sales going on. But today I'm going to review the lip kit by Makeup Revolution. I already opened it. I've had this product now for about 2 months, but I don't like reviewing something so fast. I like to wear it for a bit before I come and review it to you guys on YouTube or anybody out there that's watching, and want some advice on what it looks like on my skin tone. If you're similar skin tone to me, I wear NC50 in the MAC, and I wear 390 in Fenty Beauty. So if you're similar to me, then this is what it looks like on me on the Swatch or whatever I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if you want to so if you want to see what this lip kit right here looks like, and you want to find out about it, just keep watching. And yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, I just showed you the Retro Luxe kit, and I still got the box. I didn't want to throw it away. For 2 months now I've been holding on to this because I'm meant to be doing this review for a while now, but I keep putting it off. I bought this from a Superdrug, Time Beauty. I also bought another one, but I gave it to my niece, and the other one I bought that in Superdrugs. So I decided to go and pick one up for myself on Time Beauty, and I picked up the shade Regal, if you can see that. Regal. So this is Regal on my lips. I'll come kind of close. I hope I'm not scaring you guys right now. I got some highlight on the bottom lip, but I've lined my lips with NYX Cosmetics because the lip liner that came in this lip kit was too orangey, and if you can see, the color on the box was like, I thought it was going to be a brown color, so I said, oh, it's going to be a nice like chocolatey kind of brownish color, because from far the light might make it look bright, but from far it is a bit darker than it is on my lips. So when I bought it, I thought it was going to be the color on the box, but it is not the same color, okay? It is very orange. I'm going to show you a swatch on my hand now that I done earlier on my Instagram, just to show you guys. So that is the orangey color, is the lip color, and the bottom color is the lip liner. So as you see, the lip liner is way lighter than the actual lip stick, and that's why I teamed it with a NYX lip liner called Nebula. It is a nice brown color, and it is kind of this ombre-ish kind of look. It's kind of cute, so I like it with a lip liner, but together it doesn't look good on my skin tone. I dropped the lipstick, but this is what the lip liner looks like. I didn't even take off the thing all the way down. I just ripped halfway just to get the lip liner out. So that's the color. It matches hair, but on the actual swatch it doesn't match the lipstick that much. It's very lighter, so they the same color as this, or a shade darker, to go with this lipstick here. So I really like it though, you know. Once you team it with a nice lip liner, it will look good. And I think it's a great color for spring or summer. I didn't wear it much during winter because I like my darker colors during winter. And yeah, so I thought I'd come by and show you guys what it looks like on my lips and on the swatch as well. It was very cheap. I think this lip kit was on Tan Beauty, it was less than £5, so I said okay, let me pick it up. I normally think it's probably £4.99 or more, I'm not too sure, but yeah, it's the same size as the box. Don't mind my nails right now. All my nails fell off the other day. I hate press on nails, by the way. I need to go to the salon and do my nails. But yeah, it's the same length as the box, and it says it's a lip contour and it contains a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. And what else can I tell you guys? Yeah, and that's it. It just says that on the box. It says new improved, so maybe the quality wasn't that good at the start, but yeah, definitely it's not drying on the lips. It doesn't crack, it doesn't move. Like, look at that. Smudge proof. It's not going anywhere. This is a totally different swatch hair, so do not mind that. I done that on my Instagram, but if you guys want to know, just comment down below and ask me. I love this color, but it's not from Makeup Revolution. This is the lip liner I'm wearing today by NYX called Nebula. So I thought I'd put a swatch of that on there for you guys. But yeah, these are the two Regal colors that came in the lip kit. I really like how it looks and how it feels. It's not too drying, as I said, and it doesn't crack. It's really matte. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna get this off, but I think it does what it says. It's a very good combination. I can't wait to try all the other colors that they have in this series here. I really like what Makeup Revolution's doing. I really do. But let me pick up this. Let me pick this up and just top up my lip. So this is what the actual lipstick look like. It's a nice color, isn't it? I never thought I would actually buy a lip color like this, but the compared to the box is a little bit shorter than the lip liner, and as you see, it is not the same color as the picture in here. So either they're gonna change that or something, because I thought that's what I was getting on the box, but it's way lighter, way orange. And I don't wear these kind of colors at all, but it is looking good on my skin, and it depends what your eye makeup is or what you're wearing. I think it will look kind of decent-ish, you know. Look at that. Don't want to mess up my lip liner, but look at that. Oh. It's really good. What do you guys think? I really like it. I really do. When I just bought it and I took it out, I was like, oh my god, did they put the wrong color inside my box? But I've been wearing it like a few times now, and I've always ombreed my lips with it. But today I said, let me do a lip liner for you guys, and I quite like it like this. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear this when I have a nice summer dress on or something like that, or if I go on holiday. It is a nice bright color. Right, so I hope this tutorial or review I hope this review was sort of helpful. Hopefully it was. If it was, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to know any more information about this product, don't hesitate to comment down below. Hit that subscribe button because it's for free, and I will get to see you guys more and more because, you know, I upload all the time. So if you hit that subscribe button, you get to see me almost every day if you want to. But I love you guys and thank you so much for watching. I definitely advise you to check out Makeup Revolution. It has so much different stuff going on that you can't not get your hands on. It is worth it, and yeah, I really like it. And it's already dried. Didn't put much on, but it's already dried. I told you it's smudge proof. Makeup Revolution is gonna knock all these other big brands out of the park, honey, because cheap makeup is coming through, and it's coming through with a bang, because this looks like something expensive on my lips and it was less than £10, so I can't not come and show you guys this. This has to be seen. And I can't wait to get the other colors to try. So subscribe to my channel. As I said, thanks for watching, and make sure you like, so I know that you really want to try this out. If you've tried it and loved it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to know more information, comment down below, or check out their websites at Tan Beauty, Makeup Revolution, and also at Superdrugs. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you soon. I love it.